We offer all of our shower doors in a variety of configurations. Here are some of the most common decisions you'll make when choosing a configuration. We offer a full steam shower enclosure at the top of your shower that can be opened to allow steam to escape or closed to keep the steam in. Doors can open to the left or right depending on the placement of other bathroom elements like your vanity. In some shower types, the hinges can be attached to a wall or to another glass panel. Many of our shower types can have half or knee walls on one or more sides of the shower enclosure. If you don't see the exact configuration you need, don't worry. We can help you with a custom shower or a configuration. Just finish out the quote process and enter any special requirements on the final screen. A glass expert will be happy to help. Thank you for choosing Dulles Glass for your new shower project. Dulles Glass, your glass and mirror experts.